Hello and welcome to our video review of the Safety First Grow and Go all-in-one convertible car seat. As parents, we understand that ensuring the safety of our little ones is always a top priority, especially when it comes to car rides. This is why we are excited to share with you our thoughts on this versatile car seat that is designed to grow with your child. The Safety First Grow and Go is an all-in-one convertible car seat that is designed to save space and weight, with the convenience of a single car seat that can protect a child up to 100 pounds or 52 inches. Even better, it's offered at an unbeatable price. Let's take a closer look at this popular car seat. Let's take a look at some of the features and benefits of the Safety First Grow and Go all-in-one convertible car seat. This car seat can be used as a rear-facing car seat for infants, a forward-facing car seat for toddlers, and a booster seat for older children, making it a great investment that can last for years. Installing this car seat is a breeze thanks to its quick-fit harness system and latch connectors. The quick-fit harness system allows you to adjust both the harness and headrest in one easy step, while the latch connectors make it easy to secure the car seat to your car's anchors. The Safety First Grow and Go all-in-one convertible car seat is designed to provide maximum comfort and safety to your child. It features plush padding and soft fabrics that are gentle on your child's delicate skin, as well as side impact protection that helps to protect your child in case of a collision. The car seat's seat pad can be easily removed and machine washed, making it easy to keep the car seat clean and hygienic. Many all-in-one convertible car seats are big and heavy because they need to be large enough to support and protect children at the upper limits of the car seat's range. Even if the child will be smaller than that, for most of the years they use the car seat. This can be a drawback in an all-in-one. If a parent wanted to buy a new car seat every couple of years, they could probably have a series of car seats that are perfectly sized to their child and to their vehicle. Unlike many all-in-ones, they are extremely large and heavy. The Safety First Grow and Go is compact and lightweight for a car seat in this class. In fact, it's designed to save front passengers up to 7 inches of legroom when installed rear-facing, making it a more friendly design for smaller cars. We hope you found our in-depth review helpful and informative. Comment below if you have any questions about this review or explanation. Thanks for watching.